Just punched the clock, pulled off the yard. Got 79,000 on the cat scale card. Full tank of fuel, sun's going down. Got the hammer mashed, heading out of town. I'll run all night, come morning light. I'll be on the dock, waiting my green light. In a few more hours, break will be done. But I won't see sleep till I do the next run. The electric log, dispatch watchdog, wants me to run, rain, snow, and fog. It wants me to speed, don't need sleep. Fail my brake if I try to creep. Gotta drive when I'm tired, to stop when I'm low. Can't park at night, cause parking is a joke. Can't find the time just to stay alive. From dusk to dawn, I'm living in overdrive. Hit green, gotta head inside. Get my shit signed up and go fuel my ride. Got another run, it'll take all night. Got a bottle full of sleep, I'll be alright. Check that oil and wash my glass. Get some roller grill junk, yeah, spend that cash. Fill my drink cup up, clean my trash and dash. Slide it into third, let's haul some ass. Blacktop smooth, it's a starry night. One of those runs where shit feels right. If you wonder why we live this life, well, beside the cash, it's just these nights. Something about the road makes the brain feel free. Tearing up the highway feels so free. No boss around, just talking jive and living the life. Truckin' in overdrive.